So Adam turned up with this a few months ago.
That's all that's wrong with it.
It's a Royal Navy Tug. I believe it was used for moving bombs around the docks.
So you can wash your hands. That. No water in it. That's what's wrong with it as well. No water in it.
Didn't take long before we started testing out the crane with Mr. Hughes.
Come on, swing.
And then a bit of points cleaning and she sprung to life. Until Adam broke it, of course. There we go.
The throttle cable snapped. You have to use the choke as a throttle.
Of course, we have to go for the obligatory spin to try these things out. Let's say it didn't go quite as well as some of the others.
Like driving around on a piece of tarmac on a workshop. Oh, it's rhythmical. Quite possibly the worst vehicle I have ever been in. I mean, it's a pretty terrible. Fucking Navy trying to build fucking vehicles.
Now, is it a thorough test if a trailer isn't involved?
Disposal unit.
Probably not, so we gave that a go. That is painfully slow, but that will be the gearing.
That's top gear.
And then I set off, and I was last seen heading south with Ben on the trailer. So if you see us, give us a wave.